Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel on Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing token site which name is SafeMoon Space, and it is Ethereum based token. I will also show you how you can buy SafeMoon by using Uniswap, and how we can connect our Uniswap with the MetaMask. And we also discuss about their airdrop, their white paper, their contract, their telegram, and their roadmaps and other detail and their feature also. So I request you all to see my videos complete without skipping, and press the bell icon to see my videos first and subscribe my channel. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about the SafeMoon. What is SafeMoon? First of all, we discuss about their vision. SafeMoon Space is a community first entirely self-generated. We are individuals who have come together for a purpose and to realize an impact for society. And as a community-driven, decentralized financial DeFi organization, our core mandate includes the imperative to support communities in need. Our ESG strategy is holistic and on integrate part of the organization's identity. And our first financial product, SafeMoon Space, is the first of many tokens that we plan to offer, and a significant portion of the profit for our yield farming protocol, which is coming soon and will go to support charitable partnership in various sectors. So after discussing it, we discuss about the teamwork makes the dream work, and it is 100% decentralized and driven community. SMSP. SMSP is the symbol of the SafeMoon Space.net, and token with help from skill development team. And friendship and community are everything. SafeMoon Space with would not have reached that far away in its interplanetary journey without the support of its friends and the community. So, status of the SafeMoon Space decentralization. SafeMoon Space protocol is fully decentralized and owned by the community. SafeMoon Space initial developers have no control over it and are not running my servers. So participating in the SafeMoon project means sharing the long-term vision that will turn heavy commitment in investments and in the setup of facilities into a durable and wealth-generating ecosystem. After this, you can also see their facts about the SafeMoon Space. Here are some key features that make this project unique. The number one feature is their ownerless liquidity. Our massive SMSP Ethereum liquidity pool on Uniswap will permanently locked and rug proof. It was founded with. So it is its other feature is backed by ether, and its other feature is no fee structure. So this is very this token has no fees, and they have a guarantee of backed by ether. So they are launching on different websites like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Gate.io, Hobby, and KuCoin and OKEx. So after this, we discuss about their token details. The SafeMoon Space token is released on the Ethereum blockchain and will available on Uniswap as soon as possible. And their total supply is also mentioned here, and its decimal is 18, and its circulating supply is also mentioned here. And their name is SafeMoon Space, and their symbol is SMSP, and token type is ERC. If you want to add this token on your wallet, so this is the detail that you can use for custom adding its this token on your trust wallet. So after this, we discuss how to buy. So it is coming soon on Uniswap. So first of all, you need to have a wallet in MetaMask extension, or get the app for the iPhone and Android. And on second, send Ethereum to MetaMask. Get Ethereum from an exchange or transfer Ethereum from your existing wallet to your MetaMask wallet address and connect to Uniswap. Head over to Uniswap and connect your wallet by clicking Connect Wallet, and get ready to sign with when asked for signature. And swap Ethereum and SMSP. Set the slippage tolerance to 6 to 8%. Enter the amount of the Ethereum you would like to swap, and make sure to keep enough Ethereum in your wallet for gas fees. Lastly, hodl. So this is very simple way that after this we discuss about their airdrop. sorry, we discussed about the contract address. Here you can see that it is also listed on the Etherscan. You can also see their contract address. Here you just need to copy it and paste on the Uniswap page when you to import the token on your Uniswap page, or to swap the token by using Uniswap page. So you also can see other detail on their page. You also can see their price and other transaction that they make, 40 to that they make already. So this is a page of the Etherscan. Here you can also see the SafeMoon space. After this we discuss about the airdrop. Dear community member, welcome to the SafeMoon space. We are happy to announce that distribution of the SMSP token airdrop is live. To celebrate the release of the SafeMoon space, we will give 3,000 SMSP worth of $375 USD to all our community members. Airdrop participants have to completing the form. Please complete all the tasks to join the airdrop. So these are the tasks. Number one task is about their community, chat group and their channel of the Telegram. So you need to first follow and subscribe their group and channel, and number two is about their Twitter. Follow their Twitter and like to retweet or pin to retweet and tag 3 friends with hashtag SafeMoonSpace, airdrop, Ethereum, SMSPs, Uniswap, ERC and DeFi, and then submit for Ethereum wallet. So after retweeting and hashtagging on the Twitter, number 4 step is follow and like on the Facebook page. So this is their Facebook page. When you follow it, then you go to number 5 step, follow on the Medium and clap last post, and every user will receive a 3,000 SMSP. Please fill out the form correctly. We will check it manually. You can also buy our SMSP token from now on. Invited your friend to get 25% SMSP and buy now to get 25% of your purchases. And we also provide the big offer to our community. If you buy 4 Ethereum, you will receive $100 100% SMSP. Visit our website here. So these are their links, and this airdrop will end on September 27 September, and SMSP tokens will be distributed to your ERC20 wallet address on 20 October. So this is the link of their website, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and Medium that you should follow for joining their airdrop. So this is the form that you should fill this for joining the airdrop. First you should write your email, Telegram ID, you should write your Twitter username, retweet and paste tweet link, and your Facebook profile link, and your Medium username link, and also give your Ethereum wallet address, because they pay your 300 SMSP in your Ethereum address. So after filling this form, just submit it and they check it and will pay on 20th September. So this is very simple way how you can join. Hey guys, if you want to buy this SafeMoon space, you need to just click on the buy on Uniswap here. When you click on the buy on Uniswap here, you will find out the page of the Uniswap on your mobile or on your PC screen. Here you need to import their token first. When you import their token, here you can see that I import their token SMSP on Uniswap and Ethereum at this place. Just you need to connect your wallet. So I already connect my wallet, and my wallet network is Ethereum here. So it is very necessary to set the network main network as a Ethereum. So you will be able, if you can't select your main network on Ethereum, then you will can't swap your Ethereum or other currency with the SMSP, means with SafeMoon Space token. So after finding and after importing the SMSP token, you just need to write the amount of your Ethereum that you want to spend, that you want to change in the SMSP token. And when it will launch on it will launch on and the Uniswap, then their figure also showed that how many amount of SMSP you can buy with the 1 Ethereum. And after here you can see that I don't have any Ethereum in my pocket, in my wallet, therefore it show that insufficient liquidity for this trade. And when you have your Ethereum in your wallet, then you will be easily swap your Ethereum with the SMSP token. So this is very easy and simple way how you can swap your Ethereum with SMSP token. When you click on the swap, these token automatically swap add in your MetaMask wallet. So this is very simple way how we can buy it by using Uniswap.